Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I'm doing actually 3 of them, but you'll see the other 2 the day after today and the day after that, which is in the far-flung future for me. So today, I've got one that came in an Umai Crate, and this is Itomen Yamaimo Soba? Ramen? Looks ramen-y. So, I believe, and the Umai Crate didn't mention this, which kind of surprises me, but see right here? Those are yams, and so I believe these noodles contain essence of yam. So, kind of cool, something a little different. So basically, this one takes 3 minutes. Here's the noodle block broke, but here's half of it. Dropping it in 500 milliliters of water. And we'll skip the little bitty bits. And then I've got both of the sachet contents in one thing, so I'm just going to drop that in. And we got 3 minutes to chat. So yeah. So what's going on today? Oh man, pants, that's what's going on today. I got these really great pants. Apparently I've always worn the wrong pants. Nowadays I wear the right size pants. It's pretty embarrassing, but whatever. Anyways, so after trying on like 30 pairs a few months ago, got the right fit and everything, and I was really stoked. Well, yesterday, I was changing a diaper, and all of a sudden, rip! I'm like, oh no. And literally, it's the only pair of pants I had. So, went and texted my wife, and I'm like, hey baby, can we go to the big tall dude store? My pants are broken. And we went to the big and tall dude store, and unfortunately, the ones that I got, because I was like, oh no, I don't need to try them on, I just need the exact same thing. Well, they're not exact same thing. I need this type instead of this type, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so I gotta go return them and then get the new ones. But when I was there, I saw this shirt, and I was just like, no way. That's horrible. So I got a horrible Dare shirt. When I was a kid, I went through the whole Dare program, all that stuff. I'll just say it did not work. Yeah. And, not that there's anything like that in this, actually, but actually, I'm hard-pressed to remember the last time I smoked any weed. See, I live in Washington, so it's totally legal here. What's funny, too, is we go up to Canada all the time, and in Canada, it's recreationally legal as well. However, there are signs going out of the U.S. and coming into the U.S. on either side of the border, or, yeah, going to Canada and coming in, yeah, that say it is illegal and a crime to bring weed into Canada, and it's illegal and a crime to bring Canadian weed into the U.S. So it's just like, how silly. It's like, I'll never understand that, but whatever, you know. Anyways, so yeah, I could smoke as much weed as I wanted if I did, but I don't really these days. I just don't have time. I don't have time to relax and do that kind of junk. Besides, it makes me paranoid. Did too many other things. Anyways, our noodles are done. Speaking of other things, I'm a noodleician now. And your little stir. These yummy noodles. Yam! They certainly look very dark. They look like buckwheat soba. Let's see how this tastes. It mentioned they have like a bonito flavor, and I don't know. They don't honestly sound like something that's up my alley, but I gotta be like open to all sorts of different stuff. I'm the ramen raider, you know, so let's give this a try. You know, broth. The broth's not bad. The noodle's not bad. I'm not like, but it'll do. So, back that camera up just a little bit. Make sure you can see what's going on. Alright. Bowl. Broth. Mung bean sprouts. Spring onion. Now it shows on the packaging, it shows slices, I believe, of yam. But I decided not to like freak out about 15 minutes ago and go, oh man, I need yam. So I thought perhaps this kamaboko would be a little more. Oh, not that one. Well, actually, why not? It's not like I've got any more to eat here. Oh. Yeah, and I think, why don't we go with, I'm going to try this. Got this up in Canada. Speaking of green things from Canada, oh my god. Got this up in Canada. Oh, and do I have junk art? Do I have like onion juice already on my new shirt? That's... I wonder if this shirt is just gonna have like a weird curse to it, like it's gonna attract bad things. It's cheesy, horrible 80s music time here at the Ramen Raider. I just had to grab a bunch of stuff and put it together and make long tracks of it. So this stuff is called Sansyo, and it's a shakeable additive for food. There you go. I don't know what it tastes like, but it makes things look a little bit nicer, doesn't it? Alright, so yeah. Thanks to Umai Crate for shooting this over. Looks pretty good. Alright, well hey, if you enjoyed this video, please by all means click like, subscribe, do all that fun, good stuff you know that makes me happy. Itomen, Yamaimo, Yamama, Bonito, Soupy Noodle. And yeah, if you want to watch other stuff, here's other stuff. So, there's a lot of it, and it's all good. All good. Alright, well, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider. I'll see you a little bit down the road.